My name is Dr. Ann Watwood. I am the medical director of Clear Skin Institute in Phoenix, Arizona. I have been working in aesthetic medicine for 17 to 18 years, but now specifically specializing in lasers and injectables. I have been using PRP, PRF, and autologous gel fillers for maybe 13, 14 years now. So I've been immersed in the PRP world for quite a long time. Is number one, it does take some time to see results because patients need to do multiple treatments. However, if you educate the patient properly on their series of treatments, you are going to have a longevity in that treatment because we are actually regenerating new skin. We are growing more collagen. This is about true regenerative medicine. We are actually trying to restore both structure and function to the skin and not just temporarily replace a volume. So that is what makes it different than just traditional fillers, is that we are going for regeneration. And if you, depending on your patient's skin health, they're going to have the longevity out of it because we actually restored the skin to its original function. So with Cellenis Derma, you can actually use it not just on the face, but you can safely use it on neck, décolleté, backs of hands. People are using it in breasts, people are using it in butts, people are using it on stomachs to just regenerate and do skin tightening. So one of the benefits of the Cellenis Derma is you have a choice of 2 kits. You can either do an 11 ml or a 22 ml. Your 11 ml typically produces 5 to 6 cc's. Your 22 ml typically produces 10 to 12 cc's. So if you have a patient come in that, let's say, needs some correction on face, but also really needs like neck or décolleté, you can actually cover all those areas with one kit. So it makes it financially feasible for the patient to get all these areas corrected. So you're not just giving them a beautiful face and then not addressing neck, décolleté, and hands and leaving them in a whole different decade. So it's important so that your patients can afford to keep up all their body parts so everything looks good together. That's funny. I get asked a lot what my favorite treatment is, and I don't always know. Currently in our office, I think the number one treatment is Nuvaderm, just because it's quick, it's easy, the results are predictable. And so all of us, when in doubt, if we're unsure what a patient needs, we can either do a light Nuvaderm or a slightly more aggressive one. We know we're going to get an outcome that they're going to be happy with. It's safe to do on pretty much any of our patients that come in, and the speed of it makes both myself and my staff happy because at the higher settings it can be a little uncomfortable, but the patients tolerate it because it's so quick. On the lower settings, you are in, out, and done in 5 to 7 minutes with a full face, sometimes even with a neck and a chest added on depending on how light it is. So the speed of that and the predictability make it a high revenue generator for us. So I really like that because, the bottom line is the practice has to make money. The second thing is our patients are happy with it. So it's kind of a win-win situation for everyone.